Hi, I'm Lily, and today we have a slightly unusual yoga practice to techno music. This type of practice is becoming more and more popular, and I'm decided to try it with a focus on breathing, movement, and rhythm. Get your mat, water, and ready to go. Okay, let's begin. Inhale, warms up. Exhale, down. We are warming up the shoulders, circular movement, slowly, but in rhythm. Even in yoga, you can keep the beat. Techno helps you not get stuck in your throws. You just move. We are doing it for ourselves first and foremost. Inhale. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Now we are engaging a bit of muscle strength warrior pose. That doesn't mean you have to fight someone. No, it is about focusing your attention on your own strength and feeling it. Let's come back down to the ground pigeon pose. If you feel like closing your eyes, go ahead and do it. And now, no movement. Just lay down, breathe. My favorite part, complete immersion in yourself. Take a breath and say thank you to yourself. Even if you just lay down, listening music, that's enough. Learn to price yourself for your practice. If you enjoyed my class, please subscribe to my page. See you at the next class on the mat